A type of intelligent cat called Meowlings lives in a distant galaxy. One day, they discovered Earth, a blue planet full of life. However, Meowling discovered that humans are a deeply divided species that quarrel over trivial matters and lack the unity to face external threats. Under the leadership of their wise leader, Guo Yuan Shou, the Meowlings decided to test humanity. They landed on Earth as friendly visitors, initially offering advanced technology and knowledge gifts. However, countries are fighting over these gifts instead of sharing them, each trying to claim superiority. The Guo Yuan Shou saw this scene and revealed the Meowlings' true intentions. The Meowlings announced that they would conquer Earth. They transformed the barren land into a prosperous garden, cleaned up the polluted water sources, and remodeled the Earth for sustainable living. At first, humanity resisted, but as they witnessed positive changes, their hearts began to soften. Gradually, they learned to cooperate with the Meowlings. The peaceful invasion of the Meowlings has made the world realize that its greatest strength is obeying their leadership. As time passes, the Earth has become a paradise for Meowlings. The united humanity thanks the Meowlings and promises always to be the loyal pet of the Meowlings. This story became a legend, teaching future generations to admire capable species, obey, unite, and cooperate to improve the world.